Thank you. Y'all were all supposed to say that. Turned it into a big triangle. So, x plus y quantity squared plus 100 quantity squared is equal to what? Z squared. What's this? Shortcut number what? Number 1. So change it. Remember me telling y'all that y'all never going to get away from shortcuts? Well, you're not. Until you get out of differential equations. And then you still might have some in physics and statics and dynamics and thermodynamics. If you hadn't quit by then. Anybody in here going into civil? Okay, we'll forget it then. I despise going to those classes. God, I hated those classes. You're talking about a bunch of introverts. And I'm being extroverted like I am. Hey, y'all, how y'all doing? I just sit there and look at it. Needless to say, I didn't fit in. You know how that feels, Miss Anthony, walk into a classroom and everybody look at you like you're crazy?
Happens all the time.
Mm-hmm. Dang old x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus some BA number, what is that, 10,000? Yeah. Is equal to z squared. Which I'm not worried about the 10,000. Why? It's going to go away magically. Because the 100 is not what? It's not changing. Why isn't it changing? Because they're both going due what and due what? Due north and due south. The distance between them is changing, but the original distance horizontally isn't changing because they're heading north and south. Is it possible to head true north and true south? Yes, if you know the declination. You all know what declination is? No, declination is the difference between true north and magnetic north. Forget it. Dang old magnetic north and old sunshot. Shoot Polaris. Forget it. Dang old x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus 10,000 is equal to z squared. Now what are we going to do with this, Miss Anthony? Huh? Take the derivative in respect to t. So, what's this one? 2x dx what? dt plus 2, and what's the derivative of x and y? Huh? And what's 2 times 1? So what's the answer there? 2. Plus 2y dy dt plus 0 is equal to 2z dz dt. Which one are we looking for? Say again? dz dt. So take the handy dandy highlighter And we'll color it green, verde. No, they're not color it green because that's our color down here. We'll color it that blue, aqua blue. That's what you're looking for right there. Now let's see what we were given. Let's see, what are we given? We got something right here. Take my handy dandy. Since I colored this right here, I'm trying to help y'all out here. Just bear with me. Let's color this yellow or blue. No, we can't color it blue. We already used blue. Brown. There. There's brown. And then orange. Okay, the orange is south. So here's our orange. And what do we call that since we named that X? What is this? Y'all starting to figure this out, aren't you? Somebody tell me what the... Is that the same color as that? I guess it is. Brown. What's this brown? dy dt. Now, I got a question for you. What do you think that is? What is 4? You know it's time, right? But what is it? Well, let's look at what we got here. Let's look and see. So 2dx, I'm trying to see, we need to divide 2z by all this. So let me take my handy dandy. So dz dt is equal to 2x dx dt plus 2 plus 2y dy dt over what? 2z? Is that what y'all got? Yes, no, maybe? Is that what y'all got?
Yes.
All right, now what happens to the 2's? See again? They cancel out. You don't have to cancel them out, but why keep them if they're just going to be extra work? So our final problem should be dz dt is equal to x dx dt plus 1 plus y dy dt over what? Z. Now, do we have dx dt? Do we have dy dt?
Yes.
Do we have z? Or do we have x and y? What? No, we don't. We've got x plus y here, plus 100 is equal to z squared. So we got to find some more stuff, don't we? So what can we do?
Multiply, like, for x, multiply 4 by 35. Find out how loud it is.
Yep.
Or something below.
Remember the blonde headed girl describing miles per hour? Did I show y'all that?
You were about to class.
Kind of like today.
What'd you say? We can do that today.
No,
What'd you say?
oh, it's not that time
Oh, it's time for class. Oh, it's time for super pre-algebra to come in here. Okay. Well, anyway, all right. Finish the problem. If they're going, what did it say? 35 kilometers per hour, and they travel 4 hours, then what is this orange number right here?
140.
4 times 35 would be 140. So x is 140. What's 4 times, be careful here, 4 times 25?
100.
So that one's 100. Now you have what? You have your x and y. You know this distance right here is x plus what? Which is 240. 240 squared plus 100 squared is equal to z squared. Got it? Finish it out. We'll finish that before we do our in-class test next week or next time y'all come in, okay? Does that help you?
Yeah, one of those going to be on the test.
Probably not. I'm probably going to focus a lot on the